Well, hello. Welcome back to the box show. Funny, I was copying this 1.342 onto this other disk, and it didn't work. So, that was not what I had in mind. I thought it would work. The other disk that I copied was fine. It was fine. So, we'll try that again. That is not what I had in mind or what I was going to do at this moment. In things from the world of Commodore, I have here a disk box. And in the disk box, yes, it still has the key. Oh, and it's locked. It's open. Are discs. And there are, holy mama, there are 45 discs. And they're all nicely pretty and colored, kind of rainbow-like. And therefore the video toaster 4000. So I would imagine when one would have a 4000 and one would get a video toaster, somehow, some way, all of this stuff, these, did I say 40? 45 discs needed to be installed. That's a lot. See, after 3.5-inch drives, then came CDs and DVDs and things. A lot of programs came on that, and they held a lot more than discs. But in these ancient vintage times, oh, I hear something. Error on destination disk. Disk copy abandoned. Well, isn't that special? And this is one that I actually wrote. Workbench 1.3.2 on. That is too bad. It may be that it is cooked. It may be. So I'll click on it. And go to initialize. But really, in these days and these times, I will try to format. See if it works. And I suppose I should switch drives. This is not what I wanted to do. I wanted to test these disks. Now, is this something really with the disk? Or is there something with this 1010 external drive? I don't know. I hear it clicking nicely. It seems to be doing okay here. But this is not what I had in mind at all. It is not. But, you know what? I always found Amiga discs, well, they were always an interesting adventure. But certainly, I don't want to keep a disc around that might cause me grief and misery in the future. Did you not? Aha. It is making strange noises. There's no doubt with an Amiga thing when you're bad sector. Try a different disc. Okay. Oh, I didn't really want to do this. But as a way to double check, I'm going to take this disc out, put it in there, put this disc that is failing into drive 0, and we'll try again. So, workbench 1.3 is in DF2, and the other is in DF0. We'll see. Is it a disk? Or is it a disk drive? And if it comes up around the same spot, then we'll know for sure. We have a disk that has failed. These things happen. Anyway, of the toaster things, it seems we have purple, yellow, orange, kind of a different orange, red. This is really a deep purple, a blue, kind of a green, a different green, a lighter green. And we're back to yellow. I think that's where it starts over, kind of, sort of. I suppose I should look and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 35. Oh, wait a second. Whoa, 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 whoa. 34, 35, 38. Aha, 37. Wait a second here. Now that's weird. Now that seems to copy. Okay, hang on. Where are we on this? That's 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Okay, they were just out of order. They do all seem to be there. So, is the trouble the disk or the disk drive? I don't know, and this is not what I had in mind, but I would like to. I wouldn't ever like to send something out the door and not have it work. It is possible. Copy of Workbench 1.32. Alright. Let's try to initialize again. Notice I don't know if you noticed. Okay, to initialize, yes. I did just put the write protect back onto the Workbench disk, flipping the little thing. So it may be that this drive that seemed okay, well, yes, always do one thing at a time. Maybe the drive has a little head problem. Who knows? Maybe it's been a while. I haven't really looked into these much. Maybe it's a lubricate the rails problem. Or maybe it'll copy just fine. Or sorry, initialize. I am formatting. We will see. We're getting to the bad spot from before. And we appear. I was just going to say, we appear to have got past it. It's fighting. Oh, dear, 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 dear. Well, that is strange. You know what I think I might do? I'll open this other, take another brand new disk out. I wasn't going to do this. I really was not. I wanted to check these toaster discs. So this will of course come up as bad. And I think what I will do is try to do the copy thing. And see what happens. Anyway, I'm glad these discs are all here. I suppose it should 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is not looking at the things, just counting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 19, 20, and that does say 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 42, 43, 45. They're all here. And we are copying, which is not what I had in mind. I did not think that copy would fail. And the other thing, of course, actually these discs, oh. I'm going to flip all the write protect things because I don't want anything bad to happen to these. Uh-oh. We're almost there. There on destination disk. Almost right to the end. That is annoying. Well, we'll try to initialize this one. And I will keep flipping the little tabs here. Oh, continue. On all the toaster discs. Because if these are all good, that would be great. And I don't want to have anything go squirrely. I do not. So we will format. This is not what I had in mind. I suppose what I might do, because I have another, well, it's I have something in the oven, but not the oven. Kind of a toaster oven thing. But maybe I'll let this do its thing. And I'll finish flipping these. And then, next time, we'll check out the toaster discs. All 45 of them. And one would think they've only, well, no. We are not going, oh, we've got a bad noise. We've got a bad noise. Well, This is frustrating. Anyway, one would think that these installation disks were probably only used once, unless somebody had more than one toaster. I suppose if they had another disk drive. Okay, well, as with before, I'm going to pop this out and pop this in. I'm coming! And I'll drag this over here that has failed. And I'll drag this down here. And we'll see what happens when I come back. So, this is, I've just put the real workbench into drive 2, DF2. I put the copy into DF0. Now we'll see. And perhaps next time, we'll actually look at the toaster disks that are now all write protected and in the right order. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.